Hello everyone! In Korea, spring doesn't start with flowers. It starts with these. This is Bomdong, a type of Korean spring cabbage. It only appears short time each year. In Korea, we don't just eat vegetables, we eat season. Bomdong is harvested in early spring after surviving winter cold. That slow growth allows it to develop a more concentrated, naturally sweet flavor compared to cabbage grown in warmer season. It's similar to napa cabbage, but different. Napa cabbage forms tight, compact head with densely packed leaves and higher water content. But Bomdong grows loose, open leaves. It's more tender, slightly sweeter, and pleasantly crisp. Today, I'm making 겉절이, a fresh Korean salad, or fresh kimchi, using this beautiful spring cabbage, Bomdong. It takes only 3 minutes, no boiling, just mixing. Okay, let me show you how to cook with Bomdong. So first, separate leaves, like one by one, like this. Or cut out the core in a circle. Ta-da! So there are leaves to use. We have another way to cook this bomdong. Hold and cut. Ta-da! Easy, isn't it? And wash them thoroughly. I just washed this and let's cut them. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Season the cabbage with salt. And mix the seasoning separately. For the seasoning, we will use red pepper flakes, soy sauce, vinegar, plum extract or natural sweetener, minced garlic, sesame oil. Mix well and season Bomdong cabbage. Oh, I like to add carrots here. If you have it, it is optional, but I recommend it. And please don't forget, add roasted sesame seeds to enhance more aroma. And here we are, finished! Oh no, I'm hungry again. In Korea, this would be served as a side dish with warm grains. I like to try this with barley rice. I'm gonna add this here and mix it. And this is called Bomdong Bibimbap. This food reminds me my childhood days with my family. We used to eat our kalguksu after coming down from the mountain, and the restaurant served this bibimbap together. It's slightly sweet, gently spicy, and warm sesame aroma. This is taste of early spring. If you don't have Bomdong, Korean spring cabbage, then you can use lettuce, just cabbage, kale, or spinach, whatever. Seasonal vegetables like Bomdong remind us that food is more than nutrition. It's time, climate, and region. If you want to explore more Korean or vegan food, subscribe my channel, Kind Veggie. Thank you.